What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Girl, we about to get this head together. Under this bonnet, your girl got some straight backs and we just need something on his head. So we are going to try out this new braided wig. Y'all, it's color and I absolutely love color in the summertime. Honestly, I'm a black hair type of girl, but I do like to pop out with some color from time to time. So we getting ready to switch it up, all right? So let's get into it. I don't know about you, but in the summertime, I love to rock me some braids. But if we're just being honest, those prices be pricing, and I'm just like, do I want to pay that much for some braids? So I have an alternative for you guys that will help you with fulfilling that desire to have braids, but also not spending an arm and a leg. And when you invest in one of these wigs, it's not like, oh, it's a one time and done. You know, like when you get your hair braided and then you gotta take those braids out. But when you have a wig, you pay for that wig and you can use it multiple times. So that's one of the benefits of having a braided wig packaged nicely. And let's take her out. I'm so excited about this wig because I've had wigs from this brand before and they never miss. Never miss. The quality is always amazing. So this is what she looks like. Oh, get into it, baby. Get into it. Like, these braids are beautiful. Oh my goodness. Okay, so along with the wig, you get a hanger, and this is to hang your wig up. Like I said, with the wigs, you can wear it multiple times. So when you're not feeling braids, you can hang her up. And then when you want to rock your braids again, baby, take her off the hanger and just put her on. Love that. You get a wig cap and you get a edge band, and this is just going to hold down them edges. I'll show you guys how it works a little later. And you also get a care card. So this is just going to show you and tell you how to care for this unit so you can make sure you are doing the proper things to be able to rock this wig multiple times. Let's get into what this wig looks like on the head, okay? And I'm gonna run down some of the key features of this unit once we start applying it. But I want to show y'all what she looked like straight out the box, not doing anything to her. So I'm gonna take these tags off. You do get your adjustable straps right here in the back, and this is just going to allow you to adjust the wig to your head. You can adjust it, make it bigger, make it smaller, make it tighter, make it looser. You got your combs right here in the back. This is just going to help with security. And you also have a band right here, and with the band you can tighten it up and you can loosen it up. And I love the fact that they started to put these little grips on the bands, because I feel like this just helped with added security and just helping the wig not slide and just keep the band secure. You also get two combs right here on the sides. Look at these braids. Like, you can definitely tell that these braids are hand tied. Girl, 121 strands. Oh, like, this is straight out the box, not doing anything, haven't even cut the lace. I love this color against my skin complexion. Where am I going? I need to go somewhere. Look at the length, baby. Butt length. If you go to the salon, you gonna pay some money for some butt length braids. Let me just tell y'all. Mind you, I'm 5 foot even, so I'm short. To tack this wig down today, we're just gonna use our spray. This is by Kiss. It's the Lace Bond Adhesive Spray. The first thing I noticed is that it was a little loose. So I'm going to take advantage of these straps in the back. I am going to go ahead and tighten it up. This wig has high density, 121 strands of braids. This wig provides an incredibly full salon quality braided look that would typically take over 8 hours and cost over $500 to achieve by braiding your own hair in a salon. However, this wig is available for only $359 with a special $30 off code currently offered. The wig is made with human hair, including boho curls and delicate baby hairs, giving it a remarkably natural and unconstrained appearance. Unlike synthetic braids, this wig does not get tangled easily. The braids are all hand tied to a high definition lace base, creating a seamless scalp-like appearance and a natural looking hairline. Something to bite up with a button, yeah. So girl, this is the finished look. Absolutely love how this braided wig looks after applying it. I didn't cut off any of the baby hairs, so the baby hairs are full. If you're not a fan of the baby hairs, you can always pluck them out to make them thinner, or you can just cut the baby hairs off. It's up to you, but I love the baby hair look, especially with this unit. Makes me feel like I'm from the islands or something. Like I said earlier, it is butt length. Like, look at that. Girl, butt length braids is gonna run you some money. So the fact that you can get a unit like this with human hair and butt length, get into it. You can style this unit different ways, so we're gonna go ahead and get into the different ways that you can style it. Of course, you can wear it down, you know, swoop it to the side. So much you can do with braids. Like, the looks are endless. So the fact that this has lace throughout really helps for the braids to look realistic as well. And it helps you to be able to achieve different styles because you have lace all over. It's like one of my go-to styles when I don't want to just wear it all the way down. So take a little bit out of the middle, get you a hair tie, and just put this in a ponytail. This is a look. So it's off your face and it's just back in a ponytail. You don't have to worry about it. Looks good in the back. And if you want to switch it up a little bit, you can take this ponytail and you can also wrap it around. It's another look, you know, and just wrap this around. If you want to hairpin it, you can do that. Typically, I don't hairpin it because once I wrap it around, it's up there. I love this. This is one of my favorite ways to wear my braids. She said I already told you. You could do half up, half down. So cute. I said you're brown yourself. With this style, you can do it in a ball at the top as well, like the previous style showed, or you can take down like 2 pieces. That's so cute. It changes the look up real quick. Just bring in 2 pieces, or you can just do one. That is it for today. I'm pretty sure you can come up with many more styles to achieve with this unit, but I will have it linked down below in the description box, and be sure to use the code to save $30 off of your order. And girl, I cannot express it enough, the fact that you can just invest in a unit like this one time and girl, just take care of the unit and boom, you can have braids anytime you want. And of course, you're gonna be saving money in the end, and who doesn't want to do that? But I will see you guys in the next video. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Bye.